Get ready to embark on a sonic journey through time and space. Jodrell Bank, a British icon, celebrates its 80th anniversary, and we're delving into its rich history and unique soundscape. But here's where it gets controversial. Some believe that the story of Jodrell Bank is more than just science, it's a tale that intertwines with music, spirituality, and even espionage. Jodrell Bank Observatory, nestled in Cheshire, has witnessed some extraordinary moments in space exploration. From the sounds of exploding stars to the mechanical clanks of the Lovell Telescope, this place has a soundtrack all its own. And it's this very soundtrack that inspired composer Hannah Peel to create a special piece of music for the observatory's big birthday. Peel, an Ivor Novello winner and Radio 3 presenter, has a deep fascination with space. It's influenced her work, most notably her album, Mary Cassio, Journey to Cassiopeia, which she performed at the Blue Dot Festival at Jodrell Bank in 2017. In this special Archive on 4 episode, Peel returns to Jodrell Bank to uncover the stories and sounds that make this place so iconic. She learns about Professor Sir Bernard Lovell, the founder of Jodrell Bank, and his iconic invention, the Lovell Telescope. This telescope gave the UK a front-row seat to the space race, as the world watched Russia and the US compete to reach the moon. But there's a secret history to Jodrell Bank too. During the Cold War, shadowy figures from GCHQ used the telescope to assess Russian military capabilities, a relationship that lasted until the 1990s. Peel also discovers Sir Bernard's love for music and how, as a church organist, he believed in something beyond science. These stories and sounds become the building blocks of her new composition, Pulsar, recorded by the BBC Philharmonic Orchestra in Salford. Hannah Peel's creative vision, drawing on her background in classical and electronic music, brings a unique twist to the celebration of this British scientific and cultural icon. And this is the part most people miss, the connection between science and art, and how they can inspire and inform each other. So, what do you think? Is Jodrell Bank's story purely scientific, or does it have a deeper, more spiritual significance? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Episode details. Radio 4, November 8, 2025, 57 minutes. Available for over a year. Program website, https://www.bbc.co.uk/programs/m002lzlg. More episodes, https://www.bbc.co.uk/sound/brand/b00hg8dq.